canyon area here in Glacier View. We really enjoyed ourselves here. Yep, I know, I took a couple days off again. Sorry about that. But you gotta get your rest to put out good videos. And that is one out there. And this is Trailhead Road here. And look at there. Dang, we can almost see that mountain now. That's awesome. And the river is right there. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet indeed. And of course, it's free. Everybody's getting all hooked up, ready to roll out. Off to another adventure. Being in this canyon was pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Nice area. Most of it's paved or graveled. Yeah. We seen some kids hiking up the side of this mountain yesterday. Absolutely beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful spots that we have stayed so far. And we're excited to explore it. And it comes up on my phone as Eureka Roadhouse. There's an area across the way where ATVs can go up and down on the roads and do their little thing. But it's nice and quiet over here so far. I like it. Ago, it was just as clear as a bell. You could see all the mountains around, and look now, you can't see anything in front of us or behind us. This is crazy. That is so cool. Good morning. It seems like when we're at a place that's beautiful like this, the first day we come in, it's gorgeous. And we walk around and we see stuff and whatnot. But then, after that first day, it turns to crap. Sorry. But it was just so windy, and then we got a sinus infection. And today, it's just as gorgeous as it was when we got here on Thursday. I mean, we enjoyed our views. We just couldn't get out and walk and hike. Over that way, there is a glacier. And somewhere up this mountain here is a waterfall. And we didn't get to go see any of that. In fact, most of the people that were camped here, they were stuck inside also. So it is what it is. We're getting ready to pull out and go to our rally. Woohoo! That's gonna be fun. The coordinates are in the description below. Please subscribe, hit that bell so you'll get notifications, and we appreciate you watching.